Hey, it's Shane, and I just wanted to make a quick video on the idea of creating your own niche. So why am I saying that? Some people call it niche. I call it niche. Niche. A little backstory, I decided to call my YouTube channel Nitch Dominator because originally America and Canada called niche, and somehow it evolved into niche. It just sounds weird. It's a little bit French. I get it. If you're French, I get it. Not trying to offend you. But in this video series that I'm creating, I'm basically telling you, you need to create your own niche. That's right. Create your own niche. Why do you want to do that? Well, if you're trying to get onto Amazon and you're starting drop shipping, maybe you're into eBay or some old school stuff, maybe you're trying to create an online course, maybe you're trying to get into real estate, whatever it is, if you are doing that, all these people are creating their own courses and they're selling you on the idea that you need to try out drop shipping, or you don't need to try it, or you need to do Amazon, or you don't need to do Amazon, or you need to do, if you want to be a travel agency, take my course. Everybody has a course out there. Everybody has an ad. So what you need to do is eventually you're going to need to create your own stuff to sell. And I'm probably the only YouTube channel that's talking about creating your stuff. Don't just buy courses, endless courses, because you're going to run out of money real quick. So what you need to do is create your very own niche. That's what I'm doing with this channel. I'm teaching people how to dominate any niche by creating your own niche. So if that helps you, subscribe to this channel, comment below, let me know, and I'm going to have some coffee. Thanks for watching.